Did you know that everything you're about to see will change how you think about, well, everything? Welcome to Big Brain Fuel, where we explore the most incredible facts in the universe. Let's begin with number 10. Number 10. This one will really make you appreciate our planet. There are actually more trees on Earth than stars in our entire galaxy. While astronomers estimate there are about 100 to 400 billion stars in the Milky Way, our planet is home to approximately 3 trillion trees. That means for every star in our galaxy, there are about 10 trees right here on Earth. The Amazon rainforest alone contains around 390 billion trees. That's more than the entire number of stars in our galaxy. Number 9. This fact puts modern technology into perspective. Your average smartphone has more processing power than all of NASA's computers combined during the Apollo 11 mission that landed humans on the moon. The computer that guided the Apollo spacecraft had about 64 kilobytes of memory and operated at 0.043 megahertz. Meanwhile, your phone likely has 4 to 8 gigabytes of RAM and operates at speeds thousands of times faster. That device in your pocket is literally millions of times more powerful than the technology that made space history. Number 8. This one sounds like something out of Indiana Jones. Honey never spoils. Archaeologists have actually found edible honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that's over 3,000 years old. The secret lies in honey's unique chemical composition. It's naturally acidic, has low moisture content, and contains hydrogen peroxide. These factors create an environment where bacteria and microorganisms simply can't survive. In fact, honey found in tombs from ancient Egypt was still perfectly safe to eat, though I wouldn't recommend tasting 3,000-year-old honey. Number 7. Prepare to be amazed by the octopus, one of nature's most incredible creatures. Octopuses have not one, not two, but 3 hearts. 2 of these hearts pump blood specifically to the gills, while the third circulates blood to the rest of the body. But here's what's even more fascinating. Their blood is blue, not red. This is because instead of hemoglobin, which uses iron, octopuses use hemocyanin, which contains copper, giving their blood that distinctive blue color. When an octopus swims, the heart that delivers blood to the body actually stops beating, which is why they prefer crawling rather than swimming. Number 6. This might shatter a common misconception you learned in school. The Great Wall of China is actually not visible from space with the naked eye. While it's often cited as the only human-made structure visible from orbit, this is a myth that's been debunked by astronauts themselves. The Great Wall is only about 30 feet wide, roughly the width of a highway lane, and made of materials that blend in with the natural surroundings. From low Earth orbit, it's virtually impossible to distinguish without magnification. In fact, many highways and airport runways are much more visible from space than the Great Wall. Number 5. This fact might make you think twice about your oral hygiene. There are more bacteria living in your mouth right now than there are people on Earth. Your mouth is home to approximately 6 billion bacteria, representing between 500 to 1,000 different species. But before you panic, most of these bacteria are actually beneficial and help maintain your oral health. The human mouth provides the perfect environment for bacteria. It's warm, moist, and regularly supplied with nutrients. In fact, the bacteria in your mouth form complex communities called biofilms, with different species working together in what scientists call oral microbiome. Number 4. Venus has one of the most bizarre day-night cycles in our solar system, and the explanation is absolutely fascinating. A single day on Venus, meaning one full rotation on its axis, takes 243 Earth days, making it the slowest rotating planet in our solar system. But here's where it gets really strange. A year on Venus, which is one complete orbit around the Sun, takes only 225 Earth days. This means a day on Venus is actually 18 Earth days, longer than its entire year. Scientists believe this peculiar rotation might be the result of ancient collisions or gravitational interactions with other celestial bodies early in the solar system's formation. Number 3. Get ready for a botanical reality check that will change how you see your fruit bowl forever. Botanically speaking, bananas are classified as true berries, while strawberries are not, despite their names. True berries develop from a flower with one single ovary and typically have multiple seeds embedded inside the flesh. Bananas fit this definition perfectly, developing from flowers containing one ovary with rows of seeds, though most commercial bananas have tiny, undeveloped seeds. Meanwhile, strawberries develop from a flower with multiple ovaries, making them aggregate accessory fruits rather than true berries. Even more surprisingly, grapes, tomatoes, and eggplants are also true berries. Number 2. History's shortest war lasted just 38 minutes, but the story behind it is absolutely incredible. The Anglo-Zanzibar War of August 27, 1896, began when Sultan Khalid bin Bargash seized power without British approval, violating a previous treaty. The British issued an ultimatum to step down by 9 a.m., but the Sultan instead barricaded himself in his palace with 2,800 soldiers. Exactly at 9:02 a.m., British warships began bombardment. The palace was destroyed, 500 defenders were killed or wounded, and by 9:40 a.m., the Sultan's flag was shot down and he fled to the German consulate. Only one British sailor was injured, making this the most lopsided and briefest war in recorded history. Number 1. You are literally glowing right now, and science can prove it. The human body emits visible light through bioluminescence, but it's about 1,000 times weaker than what our naked eyes can detect. Japanese researchers using ultra-sensitive cameras discovered that this glow follows a 24-hour circadian rhythm, peaking around 4 p.m. and reaching its lowest point around 10 a.m. The light is produced by biochemical reactions involving free radicals interacting with fluorescent molecules in our cells. The face glows brighter than other body parts, possibly because it's more exposed to sunlight and contains different skin pigments. This isn't thermal radiation. It's actual visible photons being emitted from your body right now. So, which of these facts completely rewired your brain? Was it the glowing human body, the banana berry revelation, or Venus's backwards time cycle? Drop a comment with your number 1 mind-blowing fact and why it shocked you the most. If you enjoyed this journey through incredible facts, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for your daily dose of big brain fuel. The universe is full of wonders, and we're just getting started.